Hi, I am Rajiv. Today we will study trigonometry from class 10th. Class 10th. First of all, before reading trigonometry, we will know what is trigonometry, why did it come, what is its usage, where is it used. So if we assume that we have gone to visit Agra and we are standing there looking at the Taj Mahal. If we are told what is the height of this Taj Mahal, then in trigonometry we will find the height or distance. So let's start the trigonometry. The word trigonometry is combined from three words. First is tri, second is gon, and third is metron. Trigonometron in English form, its mean all these mean in English form is three side measure. Since the word trigon and metron are the Greek word or taken from Latin word, so in Hindi form तीन भुजा माफ. So trigonometry is study of the relationship between the side and angles of triangle. Side and angles of triangle. In this chapter, we will study ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle with respect to its acute angle. So, first of all, we take an acute angle in which naming word A, B and C, and also take angle A is equal to theta. So in this figure we know that this side said to be side opposite to angle A, angle theta, angle A. And also we study in a previous class 9th, that greater angles also, in front of greater angles also shows hypotenuse, and this angle, this side shows, this side said to be adjacent side adjacent. Angle A, angle theta to angle A. So take in other figure, this is side of angle A, also known as perpendicular, and this is base, which is side to adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. A, B, C. This is right angle triangle, angle A, B, C is equal to 90 degree. So here trigon and metron. Tri, what is tri? 3. So in the trigonometry we find three quantities: sine, cos 10. Sine and reciprocal of this also 3. Sine cosec. And cos also reciprocal of sec and 10 cot. Means the reciprocal of sine cos 10 also 3, which are cosec, sec and cot. Now take a popular technique. To remember T ratio. Sine, since angle A is equal to theta, so take sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. This is P, this is B and this is P. Here P is Pandit, B is Badari and P is Prasad. Pandit, Badari, Prasad. H B. हर भोले. पंडित, बद्री प्रसाद, हर भोले. This is the ratio of sin theta P by H, cos theta B by H and tan theta P by B, where P is perpendicular, B is base and H is hypotenuse. So we find a technique for remembering T ratios formulas. Sin theta is equal to P by H, where P is perpendicular and cos theta is equal to B by H. B is base and H is hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to P by B, which is perpendicular upon base. Here a technique to remember T ratios. Pandit, Badari, Prasad upon हर भोले. Pandit, Badari, Prasad upon हर भोले. This is sine, cos and tan. Sine, cos, tan. And also the reciprocal of its H by P, H by B, B by P. Sine ratio, here sine reciprocal is cosec. So here we write cosec, sec and cot. So here we write cosec, since angle A is equal to theta, so cosec theta is equal to H by P. H by P, here H is hypotenuse and P is perpendicular. Now sec theta is equal to H by B. So H is hypotenuse, H by B, and cot theta is equal to B by P. B by P. In this phase, we find a technique to remember T ratios formula. Pandit Badri Prasad, Har Har Bhole. In other words, Pandit Badri Prasad, Har Har Bhole. पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा. पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा. या पापा बेटा बियर पिए. पापा बियर पिए, हाँ बेटा. पापा बियर पिए, हाँ बेटा. So here we find a technique to remember T ratio. Pakistan bhuka pyasa, Hindustan hara bhara, and P by S shows sin theta, B by S shows cos theta, and P by B shows tan theta. Also the reciprocal of it, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta is equal to cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. And the ratio of cosec theta is equal to S by P, sec theta S by B, and the ratio of cot theta is equal to B by P. पापा बियर पिए, हाँ बेटा. पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद, हर हर भोले. So here we find the technique to remember a T ratios. Now next, now take in other figure, which is an acute angle. Angle A is equal to theta. Angle B shows 90 degree, and angle C. This is side of opposite to A, and this is hypotenuse, side opposite to angle 90 degree. Always shows greater side, and side adjacent to angle A. This is side adjacent to angle A. Now we show sin A is equal to perpendicular, hypotenuse, and base. Sin theta or sin A is equal to P by H. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So here P shows BC and S shows AC. Cos A. Similarly, cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse, B by H. So here base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. And then A is equal to perpendicular upon base, P by B. Here P is BC and B base is AB. Similarly, we find other T ratios, which is the reciprocal of this sin A, cos and tan A. Sin A cosec A. So cosec A is equal to H by P. Here S is equal to AC and P is equal to BC. And cos sec A. Cos is equal to sec A, and sec A shows H by B. H is AC upon AB, and also cot A, sorry, tan A, and the reciprocal of this tan A is equal to cot A B by P, and AB upon BC. Next, if we are told that here find angle C, what is angle C? Then sin C is equal to AB upon AC. Sin C. Now take a figure. Here find angle C. So C and angle A, and this is angle B. So sin C is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So here AB become perpendicular with respect to angle C theta, perpendicular, and B always in front of angle B always shows hypotenuse, and this is base. So sin C is equal to AB upon AC, cos C is equal to BC upon AC, base upon hypotenuse, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and tan C is equal to perpendicular upon base. Then here perpendicular is AB and base is BC, perpendicular upon base. And similarly we write cos C is equal to H by P, sorry, cosec C is equal to H by P is equal to AC by AB, and sec C is equal to H by B, and cot C is equal to B by P. Here H by P is equal to H AC upon BC, and here cot C is equal to BC upon AB. Student, we'll see the rest of remaining things in the next videos. So stay home and stay safe. Thanks.